What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at the Citadel. There's a few other shops. Let's go look around. They do have an Adidas store. It is remodeled. It is huge now. Look, takes up 2 stores or 2 units. We're definitely gonna have to check them out. We're gonna hit up Reebok real quick though. So glad I hit up Reebok. Look at this, 60% off store wide. Let's see if it's worth the visit. And then you also get another 20% off. What? This cannot be combined with any other coupon. They got Shack Attacks. Shack Attacks. I'm a huge fan of these, but damn, I don't see no sales on any of them though, fools. What the hell? Believe this is one of the OG colorways. This is fire. I'm such a fan of these. I know they're not like the nicest material. I know it's not like, it's more of a nostalgic thing. These are just fire. These were one of the dopest sneakers when I was growing up. $180, a little steep. Man, if they had that 40, what was it? 60% off? They had 60% off. Of course, I'd be grabbing these. I don't know about these. I do love Street Fighter. Like, that was my game. I was in middle school when that game came out. That was just the dopest game out. Man, was I? Yeah, I think I was in middle school. Superman, that's kind of cheesy. I don't know. That's just my take. You know, if you like them, that's cool, but just not my thing. This as well. Okay, got these. Questions. I don't know, colors are just everywhere on this one. I'm good. It said 60% off store wide. I haven't seen one thing that's 60% off. What the hell? And the last one, the question pumps. What do you guys think about this? Mixture of the Omnis as well as the freaking questions. What y'all think, dude? I'm not feeling it. I don't know. And then whose logo is that in the back right there? Oh, that's D Brown. I'm stupid. Okay. So the D Brown mixed with the questions. I do like the suede. I don't know, man. Unless I found it on like a big time sale. I don't know. So of course I'm in the clearance section. Is this the only spot where it's 60% off? Is this it? Because I don't really see much here. Unless I want like some nanos or something like that. I don't know. Size 9, got some question mids right here. This is 60% off, that's not too bad. That's a size 9. The hell is this? Big old elephant on front. Is this one of the Keith, what is it? What's that fool's name? Keith Haring or something collab? Okay, alright, those. They're here. They're not dope or nothing. Trying to look for anything my size, not really finding much. Reebok is tripping. It says 60% off store wide, and then nothing 60% off. Have we even seen anything 60% off? Look, 40% off, 40% off. I'm not into these Instant Pump Furies. What's 60% off store wide, huh? This is store wide right here. This rack and that rack, that's 60% off store wide. What the hell is this? They got everything jacked up. What the hell? I'm so confused, man. I think I'm gonna head out, dude. All right, man. I talked to one of the workers. Yeah, he said 60% off just the clearance apparel. What the hell? Oh, it says up to 60% off store wide. Man, I'm so dumb. Usually I read stuff like that. Well, damn, that was stupid. All right, let's go check out this huge Adidas store. And look, with them it actually says take an additional 50% off store wide. That's what I'm used to. Not no Reebok with the fine print. That fine print was kind of big though. I'm not gonna lie. It's all good. Whatever. It is what it is. Let's go see what's up here. Dang, this store was always pretty small. Damn, this place is huge now. Holy cow. Damn, this is the biggest freaking Adidas outlet around now in Southern California, at least. Wow. It's a little weird though, because this is half of the men's clearance. And the other half is on this side, so a little bit strange. And then all the women's and kids are over there. All right, their clearance section, their sneakers are just everywhere. So we'll just look around. 11.5 Puigs. These bad boys go for 80. You do get that 50 off, so $40. Superstars. These are, I don't know, but they normally go for what, 80, 90 bucks. Oh, these forums that look like they're worn. I hate these. Of course, that's why they're on clearance. No price tag on them though, of course. Yeah. Forum lows, $100. $100. I'll get these for 50. Some top 10s. Top 10s. What's the price go for? What's the price go for? Size 11, $100. Got some Stella McCartney's. Some Ultraboost right here. Ultraboost 22 is $140. $140. I think this is a women's, right? This is a women's. Okay. These have that little sock lining thing on top. Just says 8.5. Yeah, it says 8.5. There's that women's thing right there. Okay. The women's, men's, they're all like mixed up now, dude. Because they're all right next to each other. No price tag on these. I've never seen these. It's interesting. Crazy BYWs. $150 for these, and then you get an extra discount. Girls are awesome. Superstars. These are like a size, 12, 11.5. $70 for those. What are the retro peas? Is that what these are called? I don't know. It's got a ton of boost on them. I don't know. 50% off. Man, this place is packed. All right, let's see what's up with the basketball sneakers right here. Not too many, but do got some Dawn issue 4s going for $160. I should have decent sizing on these. More Dawn issue 4s, $60 after the sale. Dame 8s. Dame 8s going for $60 after the sale. I actually have decent sizing too. So $65, not bad. Hardens, these are what, $150, 50% off. Got Boost, I think these have a carbon fiber plate too. So $75, that's a hell of a deal. Not too many sizes, 15s, 11.5, and then 9.5 and 8.5. We got one Dawn issue 4 right here. Okay. Got some more hard volume 6s. These are under $120. Get 50% off, so $60. Only, oh wait, I was gonna say only small size. They have a size 10, 10.5, 11. Oh no, that's over there. But yeah, they got other sizes down here too, though. Man, you have to look around. Oh, these are the yellow ones. Never mind. So primarily, oh, they got 9, 11.5. Okay, they got a few sizes of those. And then these, they have a bunch of these yellow ones. $130, so you get 50 off. What are these for hiking? Code Chaos? Or is this for golf? I don't know. It says 1 year waterproof warranty. So looks like it's for hiking. $150. Got another colorway, 50% off. Some of their elite cleats. The Predator Edge, $2. Wow, 50% off at least. Got a little cheaper one, or a lot cheaper one. Okay, that's for turf though. Oh, they getting way more dope stuff here. They got the T-Mac Resto mod. These are fire too. Patent leather. I'm not even a fan of patent leather, but these are fire. $140. Do get 50 off. Not too many sizes. And Trae Young 2s, these are not a part of the promotion. One of the only exceptions that I saw. Pretty much everything else 50% off, okay. D Rose, 1.5 resto mods. Okay, so that's what, 110 you get 50% off. Got D1 resto mods right here. 130 you get 50% off, like a Knicks colorway. That's actually pretty dope. Then you got these, wow. $70. 70 freaking dollars. For the Gil Resto mods. This is dope. I do have this colorway. Good looking out to Bosco. I need to wear these. These are fire, dude. Especially for $70. Are you serious? That says $150. This says $140, 50 off. Wow, they're getting way more dope stuff here. And the prices, look at this top 10s. Not that many sizes though, obviously, but $45, $50, $50 for those after the discount. And another one right there, and another one right there. Damn. Oh, and then I got the ones with the wings on it, the JS Motorsports. Okay, I'm good on those. Their selection definitely getting better and better. Superstars. That's hella cheap. Got the, ooh, what is this? Ivy Park Forums? Wow. Damn, they don't have any smaller sizes. Wow, I would definitely buy this if they had a smaller size. The smallest, they only have 13.5. That's it. That is fire. The material on these is just exquisite. Man. Got some regular forums going for $50. Got these Forum Exhibit lows. This is slightly better leather than the other ones. Okay, this ain't bad. That's not bad. Not as nice as those other ones. And got a Pride colorway right here. Go for 80. Then you get that 50 off. Dan Smith. Wow. Got the NMD section here. Oh, not included in the promotion for these though. Are NMD still that popular? Okay, that one's on sale. That's a V3. But the V2s, nah. Oh wait, this one's on sale. What the hell? Going back to the V3s. I haven't seen the V3s. I've only seen the V2s. No, it's not like these are new or anything, but okay. Nah, the 2s look way better. 2s do look way better. Okay. This is all encased too, so you're not gonna feel the boost as much. And got more of the NMDs. These are the first version, right? Okay, this one you do get 50% off. So I guess it depends on the colorway. This one's a V3. Okay. Can grab one of the Puigs if you want a full box right here. Got some great leather on them. Another colorway right here. Go for $45. Got some Bezents right here. Is that how you say it? I don't even know how the hell you say these. Okay. Not too many of these left over. Then some Noras right here. I don't even know these, but they're cheap. So there's the apparel section right here. And then once the sneaker aisle start, look, it just goes on forever. Almost as big as the Nike outlet now. Good for you guys. Adidas, wow. All right, let's see what's going on with the Ultraboost section. Damn, bunch of Ultraboost for $90. Holy cow. We've been hearing about Adidas struggling, just not meeting a lot of their goals, their sales goals for last year. So, yeah, they're slashing prices. Holy cow. So many of the Ultraboost 2022s going for $90. It's funny because it says not included in store-wide promotion, but they're like regularly $180, so that's 50% off retail. Just weird how they do things. $90. So many different colorways, and of course the sizing, it all just depends. Some of them there are limited sizing. Some of them there are a bunch. Nothing here. Okay. All white, go for 90. The 5.0 DNAs right here go for what, 95. And got more and more colorways. Okay. Do got the women's section. Ton of Ultraboost here. Wow. There are ones that are not a part of the promotion, but most of them are. And that means what, $95? Ton of different colorways. What the hell is this? Oh, Stella McCartney version. If you're into Ultraboost, man, definitely a great time for you guys. Probably not happy that Adidas is struggling, but yeah, hell of a time for steals. Oh, I missed out on these McCartneys. Got another one of these. And one more down here. Okay. This one's $140, 50% off. Wow. Ultraboost 2022s. Another colorway right there. It just goes on forever in the women's section. There's more Ultraboost than the men's. 2021s right here, all white. Most of these 50% off. Here, the worker saying welcome to pretty much every guest that's here, or every guest that comes in. Man, just hell of a. This one's $150. I think it's 50% off on top of that. Then yeah, got more and more. And then got ones that aren't even in boxes. And even got some older ones right here. What is that? The DNAs, and then the 20s. Need some faux animal fur or animal print. Got some of those. And even some, I was gonna say denim, but that's more canvas, right? Okay. Even cheaper. Uber Sonic 4 and the women's indoor cycling shoes, like hella specific. Okay, and hella cheap to $10. Women's superstars. Stan Smith's going for hella cheap. Oh, okay, these are not on sale. Gazelles down to $50. Stan Smith's retro types. Those are the hella comfy sneakers with tons of boost. Forums, man, they got a selection, yo. They got a selection, man. This place has definitely stepped their game up. Wow. All right, we're gonna wrap it up though, man. We're gonna do an extra quick trip to Under Armour real quick. Just looking for one specific thing. This is kind of what I was looking for. I got a buddy. This kiddo loves Steph Curry. But yeah, this is not included in the promotion, so no additional sales of $130. This one seems like as well, so much for that. Unless we can find something in the clearance section, but it's all, the youth section right here. See if we see any Currys. Not really, not even close. Holy cow. All right, seeing if I see anything dope here. Nothing really standing out. I guess since I'm here, I guess I'll show you some of the men's stuff. The Phantom 2s is their premier. I think, is it running or workout? I think it's their running shoe, right? Their running shoes. Yeah, it says men's run. Get 20% off. Multiple colorways. Okay. I don't see sales tag for these, so I don't know if you get that 20% off for these as well. Another colorway right here. I don't see it. Yeah, it says excluded from promotion. Infinite 3s. Another running shoe. Project Rock 4s. Okay, these are 20% off, $1.50, so at least you get a discount. That's hella bright though. All right, not really seeing too many interesting things. We got the Curries right here, $1.60, no additional discount. The budget Curries, get a discount on that. That's about it though. Oh wait. What's this? Project Rock 3s. So the 4s are out. The 3s are 20% off. Okay. So slight discount on some Project Rock stuff. All right, I think we're officially done. I think we're done. All right, guys, that was pretty much about it. Checked out Reebok. I also checked out Adidas. Also checked out the Under Armour outlets for you guys, and they're all right. Like the Adidas one, definitely the best. You know, the fact that they made that place huge, and they've thrown out all kinds of steals. I think they got better deals than Nike right now. Obviously the stuff isn't as hyped, but if you're just getting sneakers for yourself, I think that's definitely a dope spot, especially if you love Adidas. So yeah, that's definitely worth the stop. With Under Armour, at least we're seeing deals on the Project Rock stuff. If you like to work out, stuff like that, I know the workout people love the Project Rock stuff. At least seeing deals 20% off. You know, before we wouldn't be able to see them on sale at all, and then we, you know, those actually reselling a lot of the stuff. So that stuff was not easy to get. So that's pretty dope. With Reebok, I don't know what's up with that, man. Reebok, y'all need to step your game up. I love a lot of the stuff that you guys are coming out with, but not helping us out with any deals. But maybe because they're selling, I don't know. But we'll continue to monitor these shops. I haven't been here in a while, but we'll stop by. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. And yeah, I'm gonna hit up some more shops for you guys. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.